In today's video, I'm talking about 5 projects in the Polkadot ecosystem that are very interesting to me. So let's get to it. The first on my list is Moonbeam. Now, the sister network is called Moonriver on Kusama. But what this project is all about is an EVM-compatible chain that is deployed on Polkadot as Moonbeam and Kusama as Moonriver. So smart contract developers can easily bring their applications and deploy it on this platform. There are hundreds of applications from DeFi, NFT, games, this and that have already launched on the Moonriver platform. So it's a platform that is far, far ahead. Now, the next on my list is Acala. Acala is the DeFi hub as it proclaims itself of Polkadot. They have a stablecoin. They have the Acala EVM. They have the Acala lending, the Acala DeFi. So let's get into it. First, the Acala stablecoin. You can meet a stablecoin with any token. Now, they recently had an attack, but because of Polkadot's on-chain governance, they were able to rectify it. So somebody threw an error on the interlay/BTC pair. You were able to meet over $3 billion in Acala, but it was stopped and the damage was minimized to I think less than $2 million. And then there are talks on how to reimburse the system and all that. So shout out to that for. Now the stablecoin, you can meet it with any token on the Acala system, and there is a $250 million grant for people to come and build in the Acala ecosystem. Now let's talk about the Acala EVM. Now the Acala EVM is an EVM where when you are as a smart contract developer, you develop your applications, let's say application X, application Y. Now, all other EVMs, you have to pay gas fees in that EVM. Polygon, for example, as a side chain, you pay using Polygon. Avalanche, you pay in Avalanche. This network, Ethereum and all that. But the Acala EVM, you will just pay. You can design it in such a way that you pay in your own token. Now, though that gets swapped back to the Acala token, but users will not be compared to our project. And then many projects are swapped and all that. And the Acala team is also the one maintaining the Polka wallet application. It's a very nice application. Now, but I have some criticisms about the Acala project. In my own opinion, I feel that they are doing too much. Because before Acala launched their project, they were working on a side project called Lamina. So with Lamina, you can trade synthetics and other project for now. So in my own opinion, I feel Acala is doing too much. Like Moonbeam is just focused on being a smart contract application. Acala, in my own opinion, is doing too much. And if you look at 1 year after these two projects have launched, there is a whole difference about that. They have a very amazing team, Acala. They have good people that are developing, but this is just my criticism of them. And the next project on my list is Astar Network. Now, Astar Network is a very interesting project in the sense that it allows application developers to develop applications that are based on the EVM or based on WASM. And it has a sister network on Kusama called the Shiden Network, and it's gaining a lot of traction, and they have some amazing developers that are building projects out there. Next on my list is no other but Efinity. Now the team behind Efinity are those called the Engine ecosystem. So Engine Network with the Engine DSK and other projects they built, hundreds of millions of people have used the applications. And these guys, they decided to launch a Parachain hub for gaming and metaverse. And they are doing well. There is $100 million fund if you want to build. And you can do a lot of things. And then lastly on my list is a project that is on the Parachain, but I see it as an evolution in NFT. It's called the Rmrk project. And then they are building their own metaverse, which is called the Skybridge metaverse. But what makes Rmrk very interesting to me is the fact that they have evolved NFT. So no more It's an NFT, it's just an image or at best a GIF or a kind of video. Now we have NFTs that can evolve, NFTs that can be upgraded, NFTs that can be customized, NFTs that have emotions, NFTs this is just the evolution of NFTs.